So what is this thing, I hear you ask? It's LED light for camping. Let's open it up. So we got the light and the accessories. So this light actually serves two purposes. Of course, it works as LED light for camping, and it works as a power bank. So according to the listing, it used to take charge and work normally, and all of a sudden it just stopped working. So no matter what you do, it doesn't just work. It stopped. Doesn't take charge, it doesn't charge anything back. So let's try to charge it and see what's going on with this thing. Okay. Absolutely nothing. Nope. Nope. Nothing happens at all. All right.
12 seconds later.
So how to open this thing? Where? Where are the screws? Oh, I see two screws here. Two tiny screws, but I don't know. I don't think they can open anything because it's only two screws here. It's a little bit... Probably we should remove this plastic cover first, and hopefully we can gain access to what's inside. Alright, so let's try to open it up. Hopefully without causing any damage to the frame, like scratches or anything. Although I see some scratches here, if you can see. I don't know if the previous owner tried to open it. Hopefully not, because if it's a prior repair attempt, that will make it even difficult for someone like me who knows absolutely nothing. Alright, so let's try to open it up. Prying tool and IPA, because probably this thing is glued somehow. So the IPA will help loosen the adhesive or glue inside this thing. Try here. Oh, okay. Yeah, that was amazing. The wonders of IPA. All right. Can you see? There is like a little screw inside. I think that's the board for the LEDs. Okay. I think we're making progress. All right, so I will do the rest off camera. So we just go straight to the fixing. Okay. All right. I don't know if you can see that. So we have here screws. 1, 2, 3. And then under this LED board, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 screws. Let's open it up. Well, I can see the battery cells inside. For some reason, this piece of plastic looks like it's also glued still. Okay. That looks way too complicated. That's beyond my knowledge. I don't know if I can fix this thing or not. Let's see. Let's use more IPA here, like so. Okay. Okay. I thought it's gonna be a little bit difficult to open, but it was easy, which is good. All right, so we have 3 battery cells. It's this type, which is, I have no clue what is that. Let's grab the multimeter and check the voltage. Okay. Okay, multimeter, voltage DC. All right, what to do now? 2.7? The whole thing? The whole thing? For real? Dude. That's 2.7. That's another 2.7. That's another 2.7. Well, I think you might guessed it that I don't know what I'm doing. Right, so let's check that board under the microscope because it's really small. All right. So that's the board. I don't know, what is that? Is that a MOSFET? I've never seen a component like this before. What is that? Okay, I thought it was bridged. Okay, let's check for shorts. This is the only thing I know. Multimeter in the beep beep mode. Oh, we found a short. Is that normal? I honestly don't know. Okay, let's take this board out. And yeah, because it's a little bit difficult to work inside the case. All right, so we have the board now separated from the battery. So let's put it under the microscope again and see. Okay, so that's the board. These are the 2 shorted capacitors. Shorted, like Sam. And the problem is I can't see any blown component or anything like that, you know, nothing. All right, so solid and nice. All right, so let's plug it in and see if those capacitors get hot or something. I don't have this thermal cam, but I will try the old-fashioned way. Just some IPA and see if it evaporates, right? Can you see that? Is it only me who's seeing this? Let's do it again. Let's do it again. Let's check that out again. It's the small one. Check that out. You saw that? How about this chip? No, it's fine. How about this one? Nope. So this one evaporates so quickly. Alright, so let's try to remove this capacitor and see if the short disappears.
So I'm going to save you a ton of time watching this idiot removing shorted capacitors and putting back the way they were. He discovered those 3 shorted capacitors, so he removed them and the short was still there. So he now thinks for sure that this chip, IC or whatever is the problem.
So I'm still connecting the USB-C to basically charge and see what's going on, and I accidentally I touched that IC and it was red hot, like really my finger just, I was crying. As you can see, it's boiling. It's literally boiling. This is insane. So I think this chip is faulty. I will look it up. Unfortunately, here in Japan, it's not that easy. We don't have access to eBay like in the US or in the UK. So if I want to get some components, the only way, either I bought them from those component stores here, and they will be really overpriced, or I just get it from AliExpress, and that means I will see you next year. So when I was looking up the datasheet for this chip, I actually realized that same chip is used in the battery charging module, which is this one. So the good news that it's available on Amazon Japan. So if I order it, it will be way faster than AliExpress. So my plan is I order the module, I take the chip, put it here, and hope for the best. It might solve the problem. However, we have a bigger problem, which I don't have a rework station. So once the rework station is here, I shall revisit this guy, I guess.